on here. Oh.
In the beginning,
Oh. Look
it was very dark.
It was very dark.
God said,
God said,
No,
let there be light.
"Let's be light."
And suddenly,
Suddenly,
the world was filled
the way was
Very good. You found it. High
with
five.
bright light.
High five.
with bright light.
God made the sky
God made the sky.
and many lights to shine in it.
And then God designed it.
Good. Let's
He
go.
made mighty
Can you find
oceans
B? Let's play I find it.
Why did you put this right
and
here?
That's the
dipping,
way Mommy writes.
diving creatures.
This is how Theodore writes G.
Dipping,
Mommy.
diving
Diving
creatures
creatures.
Mommy.
to swim in
That's
them.
how you have to write it too, Mommy.
To swim in them.
I like my fancy G's.
He made the earth
Made the earth.
and beautiful trees
A beautiful tree
and flowers
and flowers
to grow on it.
to go on it.
High five.